TSSI stock analysis and TSSI stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos, so I have proof of everything. I'm seeing what's working for me, what's not. TSS specifically, bro, I like it a lot. You know, it's pumping up, and ideally, when it's pumping up as such, I'm just looking to double down. You can see, yeah, like I was waiting for some sort of double shift, but now because we have like a lot more data, the only thing that I'll prefer is the price to pull down a bit. You know, this is my demand zone here, and from there on I'll only be kind of buying if there's a confirmation, right? Other than that, like randomly getting involved, it's not going to be happening. So yeah, I mean, all I'm doing is I'm just waiting for the rules to be met. Other than that, just randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and you know, I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.